Hello, I'm Stephanie Matthews with magicalmother.com, and I have been doing a unique form of spiritual cleansing or aura cleansing for the past year now, and it is a powerful way to not just up-level your own energy, but also to clear out and expand your energy to bring in more of your desire and to be more in alignment with who and what you are. And as I talk about in the groups that I lead, and actually becoming your magical mothering self. So as we go through this, I want you to just know that however your body ends up moving is perfect. And knowing that as you get more comfortable with this practice, your body will open up and expand. So as we go through, I want you to know that your aura is about arm's distance completely around you. Usually, if you're scared or in fear, your aura can be right next to your skin. So know that. And if you're very open and you're in a very loving atmosphere, if you've just finished meditation, or if you've just been outside in nature, your aura can be significantly larger and can touch other people. So if you know about the aura, your aura is something that surrounds your physical body. It is your energetic body, and everybody has one. And so this is when you're sitting in a room and you feel somebody walking in, their aura actually bumped up against your aura, allowing you and alerting you to know that there is somebody else in this space. So this is really our second or our first body, and our physical body is the second body. Our aura is what gets clouded or attaches negative energies. It also attaches positive energies. But this memories, energies, feelings, situations can all cling to our auras, allowing them to get very dingy and very dirty, often having holes in them that need to be repaired. And this is also the first place if we are going to be getting sick or get the flu or get some sort of physical body energy, physical body injury, it happens in the aura first. So clearing and keeping your aura clear is a great way to reduce the amount that you're actually sick, to actually reduce the amount of injuries that you receive. And this is a great tool to use every day to make sure that your aura is cleared of anything that could actually attract physical harm to your body. So we are going to start. We are going to put our hands up high as we are touching the sky. And as we put them up, I want you to just imagine that your hands are these like washers. You know how like at a car wash you have the washing blades or the washing kind of strips that wash your car? This is what your hands are going to be doing during this aura cleansing. They are going to be washing your aura. And so I really like to get the whole body into this. And imagine that my whole body is this washer, okay? And so we're going to start up at the top at our highest chakra, our 8th chakra. This is not the highest of them all, but this is the highest of what we can reach, is our 8th chakra. This is the pipeline to our divine self. And as we're washing, we just want to clear away, getting all of your body into this. And then we will go down, we will wash in front of us, around us, and you can visualize cleansing the back of yourself. And this is a great way to move your body, get the lymphatic physical body moving, as well as clearing out the auric body. And so really just allowing yourself the gift to move in a way that feels so open and free. So we've gone through the crown chakra and the third eye, and awakened our eyes, and have fun with this. Our spiritual practice is not supposed to just be serious. Spirit created fun and laughter and play and dance for a reason. So then we go to the throat, and we realize that we can speak. And I actually do a full chakra cleansing in the healings that I do in my groups with this aura cleanse. It is not just an aura cleanse, but we go through and cleanse and open and heal and clear all of the chakras along the way. So if that's something you're interested in, this group is available to join. We get to the heart and the solar plexus and the sacrum, and then the root. And with the root, we really want to deeply plant our roots in the ground. We're pushing all of that into the earth. And after you do this type of auric clearing with the whole physical body, with the whole energetic body, this allows for movement, it allows for fun, it allows for a release of what no longer serves you. I hope this helps you in your daily spiritual practice, and you can start implementing this at any time. You can stand in the grocery store and just start. Who cares? It's time to start clearing out your physical space so that you can become your most magical self. And it's time to start releasing what no longer serves you. If you're interested in learning more about these spiritual techniques and practices, I would love to chat with you. You can go to magicalmothering.com and book a free 15-minute session with me, and we can talk about the best way to start practicing and clearing and healing yourself so that your spiritual practice can thrive. Thank you so much for joining in. Have a blessed day.